Introduction of Python and its installation. In this video, we are going to see about Python and its installation. So don't skip the video. There are many programming languages are used to make artificial intelligence, such as C++, Python, MATLAB, Java, Lisp, Prolog, Julia, Haskell. Python is a good programming language for AI. As a coding language, Python offers many advantages to its users. Those advantages translate into making it one of the best, most powerful, and most popular programming languages for AI and ML. Let's see the details about Python in this video. What is Python? Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a general-purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problems. Python is a programming language that lets you work more quickly and integrate your systems more effectively. What is Python used for? Python is commonly used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. It's relatively easy to learn. Python has been adopted by many non-programmers such as accountants and scientists for a variety of everyday tasks, like organizing finances. Python is considered easy to read, write, and learn. Plus, it's extremely scalable. The world's largest companies run on it, and it's also great for quick and simple prototypes. Python is growing in popularity as the primary language for many applications. Python is used in data mining, data science, AI, machine learning, web development, web frameworks, embedded systems. The list goes on. Python works on Windows, Linux, Mac, Raspberry Pi, NVIDIA boards, Linux, PyWinQ, FPGA, etc. There are several steps to install Python in Windows. Step 1. Downloading the Python installer. Go to the official Python download page for Windows. Find a stable Python 3 release. This tutorial was tested with Python version 3.10.10. Click the appropriate link for your system to download the executable file, Windows Installer, 64-bit, or Windows Installer, 32-bit. Step 2. Running the executable installer. After the installer is downloaded, double-click the .exe file, for example Python 3.10.10 amd64.exe, to run the Python installer. Select the Install Launcher for All Users checkbox, which enables all users of the computer to access the Python launcher application. Select the Add Python.exe to Path checkbox, which enables users to launch Python from the command line. The optional features include common tools and resources for Python, and you can install all of them, even if you don't plan to use them. Select some or all of the following options. Click Next. The Advanced Options dialog displays. Select the options that suit your requirements. Make note of the Python installation directory in case you need to reference it later. Click Install to start the installation. After the installation is complete, a Setup was successful message displayed. Skip this step if you selected Add Python to environment variables during installation. If you want to access Python through the command line but you didn't add Python to your environment variables during installation, then you can still do it manually. Before you start, you can find the Python installation directory on your system. The following directories are examples of the default directory paths. Note that the folder name will differ if you install a different version, but will still start with Python. Go to Start and enter Advanced System Settings in the search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties dialog, click the Advanced tab and then click Environment Variables. Depending on your installation, if you selected Install for all users during installation, select Path from the list of system variables and click Edit. If you didn't select Install for all users during installation, select Path from the list of user variables and click Edit. Click New, enter the Python directory path, and click OK until all the dialogues are closed. Step 4. Verify the Python installation. You can verify whether the Python installation is successful either through the command line or through the Integrated Development Environment (IDLE) application. If you choose to install it, go to Start and enter CMD in the search bar. Click Command Prompt, enter the following command in the command prompt. You can also check the version of Python by opening the IDLE application. Go to Start and enter Python in the search bar and then click the IDLE app. You can start coding in Python using IDLE or your preferred code editor. Next video can see about basic Python programming.
Please subscribe, comment, like and share.